Hi, welcome to Aras Inverter channel. We sold this board to the customer. The customer, along with the technician, went to the unit and installed the board. The customer called me and reported that the outdoor fan motor turns on, but then turns off after 20 seconds. The compressor does not start, and the inverter air conditioner is not cooling. Transfer. I decided to share this repair experience with you. First of all, I first checked the communications. Second, I checked the sensors, which is very important. Here we have four sensors, one of which is very important. The sensors typically has resistance of approximately 48 or 58 kilo ohms. I realized that the technician had installed the sensors incorrectly and had not used two of the other sensors. I corrected that order of the sensors. The other three sensors are each 5 kilo ohms. Only one of the sensors, which is related to the suction pipe, should be 15.8 kilo ohms. I corrected their order and started the device. This time, the compressor was struggling to start but wouldn't turn on. However, the outdoor fan motor came on like before and then turned off again. This time, I checked the compressor. I measured the resistance between each pair of the compressor's power terminals. They all had the same resistance, each 1 ohm. I also checked for ground short. The reading was infinite on the ohmmeter, so I confirmed that the compressor is completely healthy and has no issues. This time, I opened the compressor's terminal cover and located at the connecting wires between U, V, W, and noted down the paths. I noted down the wire's color code. I reconnected the paths, this time connecting U to U, V to V, and W to W. My dear friends, you can join us on the YouTube channel Aras Inverter for inverter trading. This time, I connected the device to their circuit test section, which is connected in series with a 100-watt filament lamps. I started the device again. It didn't work. It was on, but not functioning. It was very confusing this time. I decided to connect it directly to 220 volt power and test it outside of the test circuit. Yes, I did that and turned the device on again. The device turned on the operated irregularly. It turned it off and thought for a while about the working principle and that the compressor start in an uncoordinated manner and was not synchronized with the outdoor fan motor. I checked the paths. There was no problem. The voltages were suitable. Everything was ideal. If you were in my place, what would you do? I thought. I thought about the only thing left, holding the power button on the board for 15 seconds to reset it, so the boards would recognize each other. I did this, turned the board on. The setting completely changed. The board recognized each other the program, and everything started working in an orderly manner. The device was fixed and I will deliver it to the customer tomorrow. And now several suggestions that can save cost for you, the customer and device owners. Always keep the unit clean. For this, you can wash the internal panel and the evaporator are part of the outdoor unit. Paying more for experienced technician helps keep your devices good condition and prevents additional costs because the experienced technicians has all the necessary information. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video so I can post more and more informative content for you. Complete video about inverter, sunverter and industrial driver and only on the YouTube channel. I'm waiting for you on the YouTube.